Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to whip up something truly delightful. Golden sweet potato sticky rice cakes. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, give your sweet potatoes a good wash and then pop them into the air fryer. We'll let them roast away at a toasty 200 degrees Celsius for a nice 30 minutes. While those sweet potatoes work their magic, in a separate bowl, we'll team up sticky rice flour with a sprinkling of white sugar. Then pour in some warm milk and give it all a good kneading until it forms a doughy embrace. Now, let's turn our attention back to those lovely roasted sweet potatoes. Take a portion, toss them into a bowl, and give them a good mash until they're beautifully soft and creamy. Divide that dough we prepared earlier into 4 equal parts. For each part, take a portion of our mashed sweet potatoes and lovingly encase it within the sticky rice dough. And here's a handy tip, a smidge of oil on your hands will keep things from getting too sticky. Now preheat that trusty electric griddle of yours and give our creations a cozy spot for about 5 minutes. Fry them up until both sides boast that irresistible golden brown hue, which should take roughly 6 minutes. And there you have it, golden sweet potato sticky rice cakes, ready to satisfy your cravings. Don't forget to give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.